Welcome, everyone. We're excited to have you join us for this introduction to project control. In this course, you'll gain a solid foundation in the core concepts of project control, with a focus on managing scope, time, and cost, the three pillars of successful project delivery. This course is designed to give you a broad overview of what project control is all about. Rather than diving deep into technical details and methodologies, we'll explore the essential elements and principles that form the backbone of effective project control. Whether you're new to the field or simply curious, our goal is to spark your interest and help you take the first step toward a career in project control. Let's get started.
Let's begin with Module 1, an introduction to project controls. As you can see from the project control cycle, it's an ongoing process of planning, collecting data, comparing performance, determining any necessary corrections, and then implementing those corrective actions. Project controls is a critical component of successful project management. It equips us with the processes, tools, and techniques to effectively plan, monitor, and manage a project's cost, schedule, and overall performance. More broadly, it's a discipline that helps organizations improve their ability to deliver projects on schedule, within the allocated budget, and to the required quality standards. So, what exactly is project controls? It's the application of specific processes, tools, and techniques to plan, monitor, and manage a project's cost, schedule, and performance, all with the aim of ensuring successful delivery. The key objectives are to track progress meticulously, identify any deviations or variances from our original plan, and then implement timely corrective actions to bring the project back on course. The Association of Project Management defines it as the application of processes to measure project performance against project plan, to enable variances to be identified and corrected so that project objectives are achieved. Essentially, it's about having the right systems in place to keep everything running smoothly. A core concept in project management, and by extension project controls, is the triple constraint. This refers to the three primary, interconnected factors that determine a project's success: scope, time, and cost. As the diagram illustrates, these elements are interdependent. A change in one, say an increase in scope, will inevitably impact time and/or cost. Project managers must constantly manage this delicate balance. Let's break down the key elements of project control. First, planning. This involves establishing clear baselines for cost, schedule, and scope. These baselines form the framework for executing and controlling the project. Next is monitoring. This is about continuously collecting data on how the project is performing, allowing us to track progress against our established plan. Then comes analyzing. Here, we measure actual performance against the plan. Techniques like earned value management are used to identify variances and emerging trends. Reporting is crucial for communicating the project's status, any trends, and forecasts to stakeholders. This empowers them to make informed decisions. And finally, control actions. Based on the analysis and reporting, we make informed decisions and implement corrective actions to ensure the project stays aligned with its objectives. Now that we understand the fundamentals, let's look at the typical functions that fall under project control. These include schedule management. This is about developing, monitoring, and controlling the project schedule to ensure we deliver on time. Cost management. This involves estimating costs, setting budgets, and then controlling those costs to stay within the approved budget. Risk management. This function focuses on identifying, analyzing, and mitigating potential risks that could negatively impact the project. Change management. This is about controlling and managing any changes to the project's scope, schedule, or budget in a structured way. Progress measurement. This involves tracking and reporting on the actual progress of the project against our baseline plan. And forecasting. This function uses current data and information to predict future project performance and identify potential trends. It's important to understand the distinction and relationship between project controls and project management. While project management focuses on the overall delivery of the project, including managing people and processes, project controls specifically hones in on the data-driven control of cost, schedule, and scope. Think of it this way. Project management sets the project objectives and strategy, manages the broader aspects like quality, communication, and stakeholders, and aims to deliver the project meeting all objectives. Project control, on the other hand, supports this by planning, tracking, forecasting, and analyzing performance. It provides those crucial early warnings and corrective insights and utilizes specific tools like work breakdown structures, CPM, and earned value management. The goal of project control is to keep the project on time, within budget, and under control, thereby supporting the overall project management effort. A dedicated project controls team often includes several key roles. The project controls manager leads the entire function, overseeing planning, scheduling, and cost efforts, and advises project leadership on status and potential risks. The planner/scheduler is responsible for building and maintaining the project schedule, developing critical path models, tracking progress, and forecasting timelines. The cost engineer focuses on managing project budgeting and cost control. They develop cost estimates and budgets and then analyze variances and forecast cost outcomes. An earned value analyst integrates cost, schedule, and scope information. They apply earned value management techniques and provide key performance metrics like the Cost Performance Index, CPI, and Schedule Performance Index. And the document controller plays a vital role in managing technical documentation and records, tracking changes and revisions, and ensuring proper document version control. In conclusion, as this diagram visually summarizes, project controls sits at the heart of managing risk, cost, schedule, performance, and change. Effective project controls is absolutely essential for ensuring the successful delivery of any project. It provides the vital tools and processes we need to meticulously plan, monitor, and manage a project's cost, schedule, and performance. Ultimately, this enables organizations to consistently deliver projects on time, within budget, and to the desired quality. We hope this introduction provided you with the information you need to learn more about project control concepts, tools, and techniques. Thank you and wish you the best in your learning journey.